Good morning friends, welcome to our channel Team Success Redefined. Friends, today in this video I'm going to give you a short and simple information about the Assure Natural product range 2.0. So let's start the video. In this video I'm going to tell you about the Assure Natural facial foam. Benefits: it deeply cleanses your skin. It brightens the dull skin. It also helps to fight premature aging. How to use it? Step 1. Apply directly to the face with the help of a pump. Step 2. Spread it to forehead along cheekbones, nose and chin. Step 3. Rub the cleanser gently on skin in a circular motion with the fingertips. And step 4. Rinse by splashing water on face. And finally dab your face gently with a soft and clean towel. Do these steps daily, at least twice a day, one in the daytime and the next in the night before going to sleep, and then apply moisturizer after cleansing your skin. And your skin will become healthy, soft and supple. Thank you so much for listening me. You can easily use these products because they are made with natural ingredients. They are cruelty free and they are paraben free. And all these Assure Natural Range 2.0 is beta certified and dermatologist tested and proven. Use these products according to your skin type. Thank you so much for listening me, and I hope you all will like the information about the product. So if you like the video, and then please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel Team Success Redefined. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the prior notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much and wish you wealth.